Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. So we hit 500 subscribers, yay! And I just came here to say thank you very much. God bless you and keep on supporting your girl. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved my sleek low bun, as you can see. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, so for this I'm going to use my moisturizer, and then I'll use my detangler, then my wide tooth comb, my small tooth comb, a brush maybe, my edge control, and my toothbrush. First I'm going to detangle my hair. Just a little bit. I'm not the best when it comes to edges, but I think I've tried my best. See? So from here, I'm going to twist this and go around. Wait. Okay, I think you saw that, right? So yeah, that is it. Very easy. Anybody at all can do this, right? Okay, so this is it. Thank you very much for supporting me. Okay, so to celebrate 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway for one lucky winner. Winner takes all the prizes. Okay, first you need to follow me on my Instagram. I'll put my Instagram link in the description, so please tap on the link, follow me on my Instagram. Then there will be a post on my Instagram. Please like that post, follow me, follow the sponsors of the giveaway, and tag 3 people to follow the sponsors of the giveaway, and let them come under that post and comment done. After that, you take a screenshot of yourself watching this video, showing that you've subscribed to my channel and you've liked the video. You post it on your Instagram story and you tag me, and you are done. Okay, so follow these simple rules. I will put this same video on my Instagram story so that you know how to go about it. Let me repeat again. Take a screenshot of yourself watching this video, showing that you subscribed and you've liked this video, this particular video, and then you go on my Instagram, you follow me, you follow the sponsors of the giveaway, and you tag 3 people to follow them and come to the comment section and comment done under the post. Simple, right? So yeah, that's it for the giveaway. The rest of the rules will be on my Instagram. Do well to follow me on my Instagram. The name will be down here at beautiful_beyond_. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you very much for 500 subscribers. I couldn't have come this far without you. Let's get to 1K and the giveaway will be bigger and better. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.